Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to check your Monopoly Go username. So let's get started. The first step you'll have to do is to open up your Monopoly Go app. Once you're in the app, all you have to do is to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on them, your username will show up on the top. Now this depends whether you connected your Monopoly Go with your Facebook or Google's Play account. Now when you connect it with any one of them, the username from that account is displayed over here. Now to connect to any Facebook or Google Play account, just click on the settings down below. Now click on the green connect account button. And from here you can connect to any Facebook and Google's Play account. And if you want to change the username, you just have to connect it with the right account and it will display the name from that account. Now down here just above the connect account button, you can also see your user ID. And there you go. That is how you can check your Monopoly Go username. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.